Are you ready to understand what's really going on beneath the surface, not just in your body, but in your mind, energy, and emotions? I'm Fed Podeschi, creator of Shamanic Transcendence Therapy, and I'd like to invite you to begin your journey with a free Shamanic Transcendence Therapy assessment, a clinical grade yet soulful tool designed to help you see the bigger picture of your well-being and purpose. The STT Assessment is one of the world's most advanced holistic evaluations, blending naturopathy, neuroscience, and shamanic wisdom to help you understand your physical, emotional, and spiritual state in one clear overview. You'll answer a thorough guided questionnaire that maps your physical health, medical history, energy centers, lifestyle patterns, stress levels, and emotional tendencies. From here, you'll receive a free short consultation to give you some feedback. And if you decide to work with us, a full personalized report highlighting the areas of imbalance that may be blocking your vitality, creativity, or purpose. Plus, practical month-by-month steps, coaching, and therapy to begin realigning your energy and your life. Most people don't realize that what they experience as fatigue, anxiety, and lack of clarity often begins as energetic misalignment, and how powerful nutrition and gut health can be to remove chronic conditions and reverse disease. The STT assessment helps you uncover those root causes, showing you where your body is asking for support and where your heart is calling for change. You'll see how your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being interconnect, and how small shifts can create big transformations. So whether you're a healer, therapist, or simply someone ready to feel better and live from the heart, this is your starting point. It's completely free, but beware, it is very detailed. However, it could change the way you see yourself forever. Click below to start your free STT assessment today and take the first step towards living in alignment with your true purpose. Be in your heart, and everything flows.